All right, so now we're going to talk about the difference between independent and dependent variables. Independent variables are the things that I can control. They're also the X. A dependent variable is the thing that changes as a result of the independent variable, or Y. But for example, if you have an equation, always remember that the variables are the letters, first of all. You don't want to mess that up. But the letter or the variable that's all by itself is always going to be the dependent variable. How do I remember that? I always say that the variable that's by himself is by himself because he made doo-doo in his pants and nobody wants to hang around with him. Well, doo-doo and dependent both start with D. Then the independent variable is always the variable that's inside of the equation. So in this case, it's an H. So this example, if we want to read one out, it says, for every hour that I babysit, I earn $15. Well, the independent variable is how many hours I babysit, and the dependent variable is the total amount of money earned. Okay, let's see what kind of examples we have. The total cost T for frozen yogurt depends on the weight W. If Freddy's frozen yogurt shop uses the equation T equals 0.34 W plus 2 to determine the cost of the yogurt, which represents the dependent variable? First of all, it's a variable, so it's got to be a letter. So this cannot be it, and neither can this. Dependent, all by itself, so that's going to be T. All right, let's see what else we have. Suzanne is starting to babysit to earn extra money. She is charging $15 for each hour that she babysits. What represents the independent variable in this situation? Well, the independent variable is what you can control. So can you control the total amount charged? Not really. Can you control the rate she is paid for per hour? Yeah, you can control that, but let's keep reading. The number of hours she babysits. Aha, that's what she's controlling. She is already set the rate. She's controlling the number of hours that she babysits. And then the number of children she babysits, that's just extra information. She can also control that, but hours is the independent variable. Okay? Fantastic work, guys. Keep it up.